Okay, so we're going to remove the shock absorber. I got this tool. It fits the top bolt on the shock, and then this fits around the bottom. You can hold both with the wrench and turn, which I've already done. Oops, and then the bolt comes off. Hopefully, if not, you can cut the stem easily. Alright. So that's the top. Now we got 2 bolts on the bottom. If you could see them, I don't know. There you go. So we'll get a socket wrench and we'll crank those off, and that shock will fall right out. So you can see, I'm trying to get a good focus, but there's a welded bolt, or nut, I'm sorry, that you, as you're cranking these out, it stays in place, so you only need to have the 1/2-inch wrench on the bottom. So you can see. So there's the first bolt. And after the second bolt comes out, the shock just comes right out the bottom. Hopefully it's high enough. Yeah, I'm gonna have to jack it up a little, but it'll come out as soon as I get it jacked up. Okay, so we jacked up the control arm a little bit. Comes right out. You can see it's an old shock. Not sure how long it's been on there, but long time. You shouldn't be able to do this with it. You shouldn't be able to push it down or pull it up, which I can, so it's definitely old and ready to be replaced. And we'll just reverse the process to put the new one in. Okay, so here's the new shock. It does come with a new bushing, new washers, bolt for the top, but you have to, at least with this kit, have to reuse the bottom bolts, so save those. I've already got the bushing up here. You have the washer face that way, the bushing here. So we'll go ahead and put that up in. I might have to jack up the car again. Yep. Okay, so we just jacked the car up a little bit more, and it fits up in there. So now we'll push it up through the hole in the top, and bolt that on, and then we'll be able to screw the bottom on. bushing. That way. Got the washer. And the bolt. I'm going to put the bolts in the bottom. Get those to line up. To do this, I'll lower the jack a little bit. No more. Put a little pressure on the shock to raise it up, or a lot of pressure. So make sure these are snug. There's 2 bolts. Snug up nice and tight. And then go back up here. You want to tighten this bolt. Get a good picture of it. As you're tightening it, you want to just make sure you get to where the rubber bushing is bulging a little bit. It's a 9/16 wrench. And usually when you're taking them off, this piston bolt here does not spin, as opposed to when you're taking it off, it does spin. So you should be able to just crank it down. I'm going to use my socket and go a little faster if I can get it to fit. There we go. I can see the bolt is bulging a little bit. The bushing. So that's about where we want it. So it's all good.